Because the whole night we are
no money with phone, me love TT, your friend. I'll be a girl again.
Professor, move. That's disgusting. Good. So guys, good morning. Everybody get up in our house, so we'll go now look a tour with everybody where we go. Alright, so just give me a minute. Give me a minute, alright? Mr. Show you. Guys, I'm now gonna really take off this stuff from my face. I make it soap dry and put my face, alright? I already brushed my teeth. So I make this dry. You need privacy. Alright, we're good. We're good. Good morning, love. Good morning, baby. Oh my god. Who that? Oh, him attitude, huh? Yes. Harsh. Yeah, that's true. What's Zoe? You okay? How you feeling? How your mouth? How is your mouth?
Get better.
You sure?
Yeah.
So why your lip look that swell? Do you do a Botox on your lip? So your lip looks at Botox-ish. For real. Guys, your lip not look pooky. Like something going on.
Too lie, you have to stop it.
What me mean by what me lie about?
I know it's just overall.
Come here, come look in that camera. Come here. Come here now. Oi, side chicken. No, big body hands. Come here. Come here, man. Look in that camera upon your lip. Oh, top licky. Oh, this look.
It looks a little bit too.
It look, yeah, upon the camera, it look Botox-ish. Alright, we're silent. We're. Shyans, what go on? Shyans, what you up to? Shyans. One girl says she'll talk to you. No, you're not shy for your girl, you know. So I say you move. Really? Alright, I'm gone. Yeah, we catch you. Oh. Oh, go look now.
Yeah, go back there.
Up where? Oh, alright. Channel, we'll find the next one. Anybody carry my purse? Nobody carry my purse? You serious?
What?
And then she get mad for her mother and said, Mommy, oh, you know, say people in my life and in my mother can girl come here, then I'm a show and drop.
Jesus Christ. Really? Put him on the one side. Hey, bumbo clad. Titi, come here. What? Hi! What about me, baby? For real?
Yes.
Back up.
I left my traffic on me. Listen, I have a restaurant right around here. I want to introduce you because I know one day in the area
Yeah.
with like H&S with a burger. I tell you one of the best loaded fries and thing in a Black River. But people don't play my business because them say me a lesbian. So that the people them they here I do. But I'm glad to meet you. I left my shop to come meet you.
So,
Big up yourself, Annie.
I don't know.
Annie.
I don't know. Yeah, come.
I'm a cousin, you know. We can
Me need to come on here. Come on here, please.
Cousin, that means me and her are cousin.
Come here.
Baby, come here, big blood clot friend. I'm not see you.
I don't know. I want down.
We are going wait. We are going to sit here. But you're the rain on the say you're not going to get to the hit.
Annie, and I'm near me yard. I have kids, them the kids.
Look at my big blood clot cousin right in the Black River town. No joke outside.
One.
Come, you want your number?
You good?
Come, let me take your number. How are you doing here? You last?
I look a man, I come now.
Me know. You plan. Sorry. I'm going to say, go look, man, girl.
Right on your store. I want a country
Sasha,
man.
baby.
I call to
Okay, so you go for Dan. Daniel.
No, let me tell you, say in the kitchen, me there and see Annie. See me food them here. So in the kitchen, me there, and me see you up on live, and me say,
Later here.
you know, me I go meet her. Yes. Them stop me and me do. Let me show you again, Annie. Look. This is the famous loaded fries.
Alright, well, anyway, come around there now.
Yeah.
Alright, which one me find you? How me for drive come around there now?
Alright, right in the bus part there beside the fire station, the bar name Lioness Bar.
Remember
Right
this,
there.
Lioness Bar. Alright?
Right at the bus, you see where the fire station is? Over the park where the blue shed is. So right there, so.
Where place name again?
H&S Kitchens. Right at Black River, beside the Santa Bus Park, beside the fire station, Lioness Bar.
Welcome now. Alright?
Alright,
Well, I want store that come here over there. So guys, Chanel, come here, go by store. Come now. Bro, me tell you something, TT. You see this thing now? Me not really like to pretend here. No, me not like to pretend, TT. You get up and you have a problem and you go tell me but you not go talk to me off camera. Right? I kind of know you go through something but you don't want to talk. Right? I miss you trust? You sure? I'm a good citizen, you know. I just want just 2 patty, one double mint because I like eat winter fresh. And alright. And 2 juice. Me I come pay tomorrow.
you know. Cash and deliver.
Cash and deliver? I'm gonna look like somebody you can trust with. Let me one party then. Let me one party. Me I give back. Yeah, let's lend me. I give back. Me I give back the party. I promise. Alright, yeah. Hey, B, tell him to come when you come with some cash. Tell all of them to come. Alright, no, who have the money for come. Alright, give me double mint. You sell ace cleaner, miss? Ace cleaner. Next door?
Man, you're gonna pay for it.
I told me not make boy party, you go pay for watch. You pay for a joke, me not make you give me people them party. Malta, me drink Malta, so what's on the game? Tell the crew for just come and catch some. Oh my god. Nobody not come to me? You just sing to me. Call Chanel. Sit before the lesson. Say this. Chanel. Come on, phone. Give me some phone to the favor. Don't give me out of mind. Left that alone. That I have to deal with something. I'm saying after the money. You ever see with the money? Give me 2 grand.
Yeah, me did try to save when my hungry days come.
Not here. That's for hungry with me.
No, you're crazy. Me can't get hungry with you.
If I will do. I do me a borrow money from.
I'm so glad.
No, not buy one for it.
Guys,
No.
Mister, can I get a cheese patty, please?
You can't afford it.
Can I get a cheese patty, please?
How much is this, miss? Is that mine? Who for this?
Can I thank you?
Titi?
For the cheese patty.
Titi, this a fair? Titi, we're going for plan over. Titi. Guys, look at Titi go take up. Oh, Jesus. Titi, Titi. Over this. Over this. How much is it now?
This go. So me.
Fridge, Jamaica.
Yeah, cheese patty.
Guys, look at Titi over the side. Where you want plantain, Titi? Yeah. You want carry one plantain? Take up your mango? Eh? Titi, you want, if you want mango, take up mango now? And you want one plantain too? Yeah. Green plantain or white? See right plantain here, Titi? I mean, I see and you see mango. See the baby, come, I'm gonna put everything in stuff here. Alright. Bust my mouth, please. Oh, you can open this one? Of course, get it something, baby. You get it? You want patty? You want patty? You want fried plantain? Alright. Egg? Yeah. I don't think so.
Yeah, thing with the police.
Let me tell you about this guidance.
Chanela, mash up that, you know. Wifey answer, mash up a cheese patty. Looking great, looking great.
One cheese patty.
Yo. Guys, why want to keep on the cover something them? I'm telling your hand back.
But the machine about
Oh Jesus. Guys, I think somebody else want one next party.
The one that chicken patty. Somebody else want another patty. We can get the next chicken patty.
Yeah, ancestors.
Where you eat that? Where you eat that?
Me tell me up.
I think not like you just
Put that there so to Titi. Oh,
Let me take up my phone. Wait, make a take guide.
Alright, check them out for Titi.
Make a take guide, make you music guide.
Alright. This pole? Open, just slide it something. Oh my God.
Girl, I love you, see, girl. Are you live? Me different, just know I watch you.
For real?
Honestly.
I'm gonna say you find me
I
backstage.
right up there, so me work, and me say me soon, and so me come go and check you out.
Oh, hold on. You see, live, me couldn't get find me easy. Guys.
One Annie.
Never two.
Never two.
No love.
No problem, baby. Go and do the right, yeah.
Thank you.
No watch no more.
Right, that's all.
Yeah, same thing. 12 or 3 same. No watch no.
Thank you.
You push me in a bed, but you give many hugs.
Oh, give me a kind. Give me a kind. How much is that? How much is it? Mama, you have to right down and like patch them. Well, I'm going to count them for you, miss. 1, 2, 3.
You
don't put me in the LD no pay to my one.
Film patched paper. Or 2 paper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 1, 2. So 4 then. 4. So 5 that then.
I got a cheese patty. Alright. Chicken fry. Right now.
Titi no want a patty, guys. She want plantain and egg and then something. How much that means?
She want plantain.
Yeah, you might get a juice. Hurry up, Alex. Hurry up and come to food.
Alex.
Good to go now. 600. 360. 350. 180. 650.
Come on, Terry. She want one paper. Come on, Terry, Alex.
Alright, that's 3,240.
How much?
3,240.
3,240? Me have 2,000. You can put your rest for me, baby. I want to give me some money, my bro. Give me 2 grand.
Come from there so they can use the fridge.
So nobody now use the fridge right now. How much? Alright, this one. Thank you. Oh, me get too much.
There's nothing so she loyal.
True, you know, you're a nice lady, you know, I'm married to you, yeah? I'm married to you, guys. Guys, somebody left one Pepsi. You? Have you? Oh, she did take Pepsi too. Alright, so we keep my party. Thank you, thank you. Have a wonderful morning, alright? God bless, God bless. Come on, guys. Alright? Go ahead, ladies. Alright, and so now come.
Hi, Annie.
Hey, baby, what's up? Come on, guys. Alright, we say we're going to check a lady over our place. So, why if you answer, God know you're going to go on here for you? Why am I doing an apple?
No! I'm in the funny bucket and they want to look for the bucket.
Hold on then, security them then. Call them.
Who does?
Them not done work.
1 to 1.
Come on, no bother with that. Don't bother with that. Don't.
Them not done load the machine.
Hold her in her lap. Hold her.
You have to wait.
Because I never would go with an attitude. They don't do it.
Who not go now?
Just pocket it.
Alright?
Yeah, pocket it.
I laugh and I pin down yourself up at the people in here.
You have to know how to brother.
Now, behave on yourself. Behave on yourself.
I don't have a control yourself.
Behave on yourself. You hear me? Titi, I have something for you, yeah? I'm going to go up and deal with you. Make me deal with you. Make you know what to do. Well, now you window.
Look here, mom.
So how do that now?
Look for one of the vehicle, you know.
We can't move.
We can't move.
I have to wait because they might work and you're not going to leave them. When you come out back,
When you come out back then.
Come reverse.
Chanel, what a composure.
I will see you.
You know, see where people are going to come.
Alright. Chanel.
I call her that.
Tajay, shut your mouth.
Somebody can win in glass.
Chanel, get some.
You just can't turn on the car.
Yeah, true. Yo, guys, wanna stop. Listen to me no, Chanel.
Alex,
Listen to me no, members of people have video in. Yeah,
Alex,
please.
text to the right people.
Just relax and yourself.
You say we have to wait. Somebody with the machine.
Oh. Look what I done on our second care.
I need that tell him to me easy and make it come on. I never carry reverse, go better. And go for you can't go on. Yeah, man, reverse.
So why if you answer give problem? Huh? Alright, may I come? No, yes, sir, may I come back? May I come? Yeah, some up there, give me. Yeah, give me some. Oh, alright, may I come, me soon? Give me there, baby. Blessed morning to you. Alright, guys, so we're... Watch your Jesus Christ. Okay. Let's see with them here, then go straight up.
Hello, good morning. Yeah, I'm here now.
What's your man?
Yeah.
Who you tell man? Who that? Who is that? Who that? Aki?
Yeah.
What going, baby?
But when I come over here, so when I there, we are actually walk.
Alright, guys, so this is our location. We'll go over there, go check out our business now. Right, because you know, say every business count. You understand? Come guys, in the gun. Alright, guys, so you have the other restaurants, them a come. Alright guys, welcome.
Yeah, we do like look 3 minutes ago.
Shut. Wow, guys, the menu. Come on, guys, this is the menu. The menu, chat. I share some nice things on the menu. Whoa.
Yeah, you can get $500.
So how much? Hold on. So all of this, what we are get free. I love free things, you know.
Alright, if you don't buy food out of the house, you want to get a smoothie free.
Wow, me I get free things. Guys, when I lie, me I forget some free. She said if me buy food from the house, all the way I get smoothie.
Somebody fries and burger and them stuff.
Yeah. Aki walk. You know say you miss.
I will tell her, G.
Okay, hold up.
I leave it, tell her.
Alright, chat. So free. Oh, me get to no free. Oh, alright, chat. Me get you one chat. Yeah. Aki walk.
Alright.
Hold on, me all can't hear you. Alright, hold on. Alright, check. Check, me get to know. Alright, good. Yes or no, okay?
So now about up the road, man.
Yeah, so what's up with you?
So yeah, we're so forward in, man.
You're so forward in. Video. Hey, me I turn Derek Morgan pan them pitney, you know. A video. Yeah, Batman.
That will be screen of him, you know.
Guys, alright, here we know. We have to go now. We have to go. Chat, we're gonna stomp on the double chat. We'll play one game with Akiwa. Alright, so guys, what now do? Alright, let them do that. Let them deal with that. Urban deal with that. Yeah, we have to do now. We will come back and eat lunch. Alright? And get a smoothie and stuff. Alright? Make sure you get wanna take a number. Yeah, ladies, everybody, take up on the things. Come on. Hi, what's up? You good? Give me a hug, man. I'm afraid for hug.
Give me a number.
Business number. She's any food. 7. No, 7.
I don't watch you. TT, see you later, my call to you going to. Yeah, I'm going to do. I'm out. Enough love here, baby. Guys, come on.
Oh, the actually stop there.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Hey, baby. Alive. Enough love, baby. Guys, come on. Hi, good morning. How is your morning? Alive. Blessed morning to you, yeah? Come on. What going, baby? I force me to see in a person too, you know. Big up yourself, man. Enough love here. Blessed morning, alright. Alright, so you want know. We work with the chat. The chat say? Alright, so doing what you call it, you know, says whatever. So,
live with the taxi, I go.
right, wanna take a lady number? Alright, we'll call her.
Yo, moderator, yo, do that for the film, you know.
Thank you, baby guys. Thank you, guys. Everybody come together on a chat. Double tap. Guys, do you think? No. We can't believe some me run one live and the live there are 70 odd. Nobody not tap up his screen, no nothing. Chat, no, me go lock down the live. You know me this girl I realize? Yeah, man. Nobody not tap on the screen. It's screen the 90 odd. Why you there? We have up to 1,000 odd people, 4,000 to 5,000 people.
Hey, after that one, daddy over here.
Black family now hold no live. Morning. What go on, baby? Me nah do it chat. Me dead serious.
One Annie.
Talk true.
Not true.
Who this side of me?
This is Jalpi.
Who that one? Akiwa. So, a fishing line, una buy a fishing line? Yeah, so
I think the current this is marine for that.
Go on, alright over there.
Yeah, oi. Akiwa, you miss the man. The guys, them go fishing and them buy fishing line. Man, they say them go fishing. Jim, which that what Jim said? We can't believe they made the panel live and nobody name on top of the school.
Yeah, the top of his skin.
Me nah do this today. Me do my YouTube video. Me nah do this at all. Chat to a beg on the chat. What you call it? Help me play that game here. I like me. Me no want. Wanna keep on the love. Me no want to love again. Keep on the love. Una give me no love. Me not get no love. Oh, not today, sweetheart.